Okay, go ahead and get in.
I don't know if that's the right sound for this.
I guess I just...
This toilet paper is my shine. It's meant for partying. It's made from bears.
Yikes. I don't know, buddy. We really shouldn't be eating these in the car. We're messy. We stopped to come look at some ducks. You see the ducks up there, Kelly?
That green water.
You don't think I should go swimming in there?
Yeah, because that is yucky.
There's a snail in that shell.
I'm gonna make an adjustment.
It's a baby snail. Look, I see some over there.
Yep. Those ducks sure like that water, though.
We'll find a friend for him.
White's got a chocolate face from his donut. You see the duckies? Oh. Yep, it's like, see you later, guys. What do you think? Why? What do you think? Let's run. Okay, run back to the car. Where'd that go? Go get your brother. Go get him. Run. Run. Come on, Wyatt. You coming? Oh, they live down south. Don't have any crocodiles or alligators in here. Not any real ones anyway.
We go to South Tennessee.
Yeah. Hi. Do you want to try blackberries? Is it good? Ooh, you want more of those, huh? Can you pick it? Be careful, they're pokies. Yeah? I see a good one right here.
No.
Good?
Yeah.
We better go to the garden. Maybe we can look at the pond when we're there, though. If we have time. You see the deer, Kelly? Another one up here. Yeah.
Very cool.
Look at this one. Look at all these guys. They're growing good, huh?
Look at this one.
Oh yeah, be careful. That one's called Cassidy's Folly. Whoa, that one's called Berkeley Tie-Dye.
That's big.
Yeah.
How many red ones do we have?
Well, these ones are gonna turn red, but we've got over 20 peppers growing. One of the things I really like about doing the community garden is you get to see how everybody else does it, which is really helpful. Yeah, those aren't plums, those are eggplants. Used to think I was pretty good at growing stuff, but after seeing somebody else, these other guys' gardens, I got a long way to go.
You want to take a video of the peppers?
Yeah, I'll take a video of those. Those are somebody else's peppers.
So, there's a lot of bugs in there. The red ones are not spicy. You know why these ones are spicy? Because they're chili peppers.
Yeah, that's right. Let's go check out the garden. Come on. This is the pond that we get the water from for the community garden. This rain has helped a little bit bring the water level back up. Go walk around the pond, you'll see them. Oh, there it goes. Did you see those frogs?
Yeah.
Oh, there's one right there.
Where?
Right there. You see him? He's very sneaky.
Where is it? Where? I see something right there.
What is it? Oh, I saw a frog move over there too. There's a whole bunch of frogs in here. All the frog poop is gonna go into the water that goes into our garden. Helps our garden grow bigger. That's close enough. Back up so it's all wet. Whoa, look at this thing. This thing got huge.
Whoa, that's humongous.
That is humongous, huh? Take a bite. Is it good?
Yeah.
What does it taste like?
Cherry.
Mmm. Oh man. Wow, it is sweet. These tomatillos are my favorite now. Here you go. No. These are quinoa. Oh, pretty good. What do you think about our quinoa, Wyatt? There's a little bug on it.
The boys are back from the garden and they're so tired.
Mmm, peas. Those are good, huh? You gonna eat them? Yeah. Eat them up. Getting lots of lemon cucumbers from our garden, which I'm pretty happy about. First time growing these, and man, I like them way better than regular cucumbers.
I've been sick for the last couple days and I still don't feel great. Whenever I eat something, I just feel sick. It's really weird. So I haven't been able to work out or really do anything except for just make sure that kids are okay. They're being fed and I don't throw up. Hi, baby. Oh, thank you so much. I love it. Shane and Wyatt have been collecting stuff from the garden all day, and so we've got a lot of lemon cucumbers and peas to use. I'm gonna make a salad, I think, for lunch. Today is just catching up on everything. I have to do dishes, or I finished the dishes. I have to catch up on laundry and meal planning. I'm gonna meal plan for the week. Kelly's birthday is this week, so it's gonna be a really busy and fun full week. As a side note, we have no footage for yesterday, which should be today's vlog, and we're doing this daily. And so I don't know what we should do. If we should just miss a day, which is a total bummer, or if we should come up with something. What do you think?
I don't know.
What do you think, Wyatt?
I agree. Put some archive footage.
Oh, that would be cute. Kelly's 5th birthday, I could pull out stuff. Yeah, Kelly gave me a flower for my hair. I just moved our channel over so that it says the Donoghs instead of Jennifer Dono. And then I added our new profile photo, which I need to get like a new one of because this is so dark, but it has the only photo with our entire family in it. And I need to change this banner. I don't know, Kelly is pretty cute in it. So this 2 years ago, a year ago. I just put Wyatt down for a nap and I came back and it was sunny and beautiful, and now it's like dark and dreary. And look where I found the boys. Found them hanging out in the back of my car.
Hi.
Hi.
What are you guys doing back here?
Watch out because I'm gonna pull this down in a minute.
Oh.
What are we doing back here?
We're just camping out in here.
Camping out?
Hanging out, watching the rain.
It's gonna do our plants really big. It's so much bigger than you.
Oh, really? You guys just gonna hang out back here while it gets all stormy? Okay.
Yeah, and then we're gonna go to the lake.
Shane just picked a bunch of onions. So pretty.
Guys, should we head on to
Little
the
baby
river,
onions.
to the river now?
It smells very oniony.
I think so.
Is this how you collect the vegetables?
Yeah.
Is that where they are?
Daddy,
Where I keep the onions.
Would they have grown to be bigger onions if you would have just let them grow?
No, but if they were in a sunnier spot, they probably would have. They were kind of in the shade.
Are these like shallots or what's
No,
this?
there are two different kinds. I don't remember. I have to go look at which kinds these are. They're red and these ones are like a white.
Whoa. They smell really strong.
we're at the river,
And what did we make?
the shelter.
It was a pretty cool spot underneath these leaves, huh?
It's making it deeper now.
Mm-hmm. Look up there, that's where the cows live up there.
Should we go see it then?
It's kind of a lot of stick bushes.
Oh.
Look at the whirlpools over there. See 'em? Did you have fun at the beach?
Yeah.
Did you think it was not cool that it was raining, or was it cool?
It was cool.
Do you love donuts?
Yeah. We haven't eaten for dinner. But we did have the breakfast every day.
I did it. See, like how dark this profile picture is. I'll have to do one that's really bright and well lit. I wonder if we have any other photos of us all together. See, I put what we vlog about, which is we're family, we're reducing our waste, we're getting healthy, and Shane adds dirt bikes. I totally know what we're gonna do for today's vlog. And Shane had a really good idea, so you get to know who we are, some background on us. I just pulled our little video archive off my old MacBook, and I was like crying the whole time because there's stuff on here like of, oh my gosh, when Kelly was a little itty bitty baby. It's so cute. Look at this. Ignore how messy my desktop is. That's another thing I gotta do is clean that off. So I'm gonna go ahead and edit those and put them together into a fun little video. I'll have to go and look at yesterday's vlog and see what we end up doing.